So hello friends, welcome back to another video. You all may be getting any background noises, then I'm sorry guys. So here in this, I'll give this link in the description down below. Actually this guys, I'm going to show you how you can get Minecraft's most best texture or resource pack. So you'll have to hit download here, and here you'll get three download links guys. One is add-ons, bedrock, and the pro the correct one. So hit the download for the first one, which has this kind of name, and hit download. Then you will get into a website like this guys. Go down here and just check if you will get any download link. First here there are also download installation steps for it. First we'll have to hit the download option. So here there will be have to be a download link here. Okay, your download will become in 10 seconds. Just hit the download option. Again it will bring you to a web page like this guys. Then just remove that, hit decline here, and guys you will have to go down or check where you are getting the download link. So I will have to get it somewhere here. Downloads, here in the downloads option guys, you will have to click onto your dcraft, which is this one. Here guys you all may see the textures of unique Minecraft Java. For if you all have other bedrock versions and other versions, then guys you all can use that. So I'm telling the important most best one, which is Java one. So you will have to go more down and check if you're getting the download link. So let's just check download with add. So before you download PRB Craft terms and services, accept terms of use. Then install. Download will become in 14, 13, 12, 11 seconds guys. Just wait. So this is the download link guys. I'll copy this and keep, so that I can just directly give it and I'll hit the download option. So hit download now guys. Then you all may see this kind of zip folder will download guys. In Minecraft what you're going to do is go back, and in options guys you all will have resource packs in your open pack folder. Okay guys, and I'll just delete this which I first brought. Okay, if you all have cut it, still I can show you how you all can get the resource pack folder. That is also a trick, easy one. So let's download this. Let it download. To open resource pack folders guys, you all must hit the Windows button, hit run, app data percent app data, hit OK guys. And you all will get into folder like this. Here in Minecraft guys you all will have something as resource packs. Open that. This folder will be empty guys. So let's just wait till this gets downloaded. I'll give this link in the description down below guys, go check out. So guys, once this is downloaded, you will get a show in folder option. Right click onto it and hit copy guys. Then go into that folder app data percentage and paste it. Okay guys, after pasting it, go into Minecraft, open pack folder and bring this here. Do you want to add following packs? Hit yes. Then click onto here and hit done. And guys, it has successfully been loaded and it is Minecraft 1.16 guys. Just look here, I've off the sound guys for some time. So see guys, it's working fine. I'll create a new world and play. So go check out my gaming channel Unseen Profs. You'll have seen those two worlds. That videos will also comes video will also come of Minecraft what you may say Minecraft. So my catch with me. Minecraft videos, Free Fire videos, etc. guys. Go check it out. It will come fast a video. Now I don't feel the video will come. It will come after some time. So guys, here you all may see the resource pack has been loaded properly. You all will have no problem guys. Just that you all will need a CPU above i3, a good CPU. It does not need integrative graphics, but I just have good CPU. Let's see how it's cool, guys. Option, video settings, and guys, it's 1.16.1. So even to get that, what you all must do, guys, is you all have T launcher. If you all don't have T in Minecraft, all you all can do is go to a new tab, hit search for Optifine download. After searching for Optifine download, guys, you all will have to go into this optifine.net. The most like they are only means they have given their own website, this Optifine. See, in this Optifine 1.16, guys, you all will hit download and open your Minecraft launcher. Well, I'm using T launcher. If you all have Minecraft, you all can directly download. So hope guys you all like and subscribe to the channel. I tried this video, took a lot of hard work, guys. So that's how you all can bring